Yusuke Muto of Japan, third of the Japanese paddlers that have been strong so far, with teammate Kazuya Adachi leading. Yuka Tanaka, two Olympians in first and fourth. Muto is paddler number 38, so we're still a little bit away from starting to confirm qualifiers.
Muto is our third Japanese men's K1 competitor for the morning. We have Tanaka sitting in fourth position. An unfortunate touch there for Muto, which makes it difficult. Let's see if he has the boat speed to carry through this run.
The 2 seconds added on to the 0.98. He's been pretty good down the bottom section. May not be enough to get himself into the top 30. But there probably won't be. Let's have a look at the finishing time here. Just outside the 90, 91.23, fifth fastest. So I've had 38 paddlers down the course. We've got 37 still to come. So just over halfway here in the men's kayak heats of the World Championships.